Hey guys, I'm Mackenzie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through how I did my wig hair transformation for my Black Widow cosplay. Before we get into the process of how exactly I colored this wig, this is what it looked like straight out of the box. It was very orange, almost red in some lightings. I spent a couple weeks working on getting the color of this wig just right. I consulted my hairdresser, articles, YouTube videos, anything I could think of to try and figure out different processes that might work to lighten the color of the wig. So after all that trial and error, these are the steps I'd recommend to lighten / recolor a red human hair wig. To start off the process, I recommend doing a bleach bath for the wig and leaving it on for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the color lift you're looking for. For the bleach bath, I'm using 2 parts developer, 1 part bleach, and adding some shampoo to lessen the effects of the bleach a little bit before applying it to the wig. I applied the mixture to a slightly wet wig and then let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes before going in and scrubbing it out. The wig was still a little bit too orange for my liking after the bleach bath, so I used some blue conditioner mixed with water and let the wig sit in that for a couple days. And here's what the wig looked like after a weekend in the blue conditioner bath. As you can see, the water in the background has pulled out a lot of that orange color, and still more is coming out as I squeezed it from the wig. This last step is optional, but the life was sucked out of my wig after that bleach bath, so I highly recommend it. What I'm doing here is just a deep conditioner and then adding heat to kind of open up the hair follicles. I think that's a thing. I just used a combination of a couple different conditioners. One was salon quality to try and revive it as much as possible, and I even threw in some olive oil into the mix to make it more shiny. Once the wig had been thoroughly washed, I placed it on my wig head and combed it through, making sure the part was in the right area. Normally I would blow dry my wigs, but I decided to opt for a more natural look and let this one air dry before styling it. The styling of this wig was pretty simple. I just French braided 2 pieces in the front of the hair and secured them with clear elastics, and then loosely curled the rest. And here's a look at the finished product. Okay, I'm back and I have my suit on. Going to put my hair up in a wig cap. To put the wig on and secure it down, I'm using Pros-Aide and Q-tips. I'm going to put this on the wig cap itself too. Wow, I did not blend that in. Should probably do something about that. Now it's time for the wig. Okay, the braid actually doesn't look that bad. I was worried. Okay, I'll just wait for that to dry. Okay, so that's pretty secure. I curled this. I'm just gonna brush through it with my fingers to loosen up the curls. I'm going to add a little bit of concealer to the part to make it look like it's part of my hair. This concealer that we've been using, and I'm gonna put it on the brush and take it into the part a little bit. And I'll probably tap it out with my fingers. Honestly, that looks good. I think I might have shortened my forehead too much, but I think it'll be okay. It's kind of giving me an eyebrow lift. This is as much as I can furrow my brows, which actually is good. All right. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, well that wraps up everything for the wig tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you come back for more cosplay content, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.